Hey guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to see a simple API and we are going to test the API through Postman tool. Okay, so in the last video, we have seen up to this white label error page, right? This is because we didn't map any controller. So we got white label error. So in this video, we're going to see these things. We're going to create a controller and we are going to use the below annotations: REST controller annotation, get mapping annotation, and component annotation. This is the project which we created using the Spring Initializer. So here we are having a package for Spring Boot app, inside which I'm going to create another package in the name controller. So inside the package, I'm going to create a controller class. So I'm naming it as controller home. Once the class is ready, we need to put an annotation called REST controller. So, and then we are going to write a method public response entity get customer return new response entity double quotes comma, and then we need to provide the status http status okay. Here we need to put an annotation called get mapping, and then we need to provide the URI here. So inside the double quotes we need to put customer get customer and then the customer ID. Okay, so the URI will be like customer get customer, and then we'll give some numbers, and then in this parenthesis we need to give, in this bracket we need to give at, since this ID is a path variable, we need to use path variable here, path variable string ID. Okay, we are going to get this value here, path variable string ID. So once we get the ID, what I'm going to do is like I'm going to append string customer equal to ID plus welcome. So I'm returning it here. Okay, here we have used REST controller get mapping. So inside that we are getting an ID and we are appending it with welcome. So if it is 100, then 100 welcome. So that will be the response with the status okay. Okay, let's start. Started. So now we need to copy this URI. Go to Postman tool. I already have the URI configured here, so we need to replace it. Okay, so the URI will be like localhost 8080 customer get customer, and then ID. So we can give any ID for the testing. So I'm giving 100. So if I click on send, my response should be 100 welcome. 100 welcome. We got it right. So and then we have set a status right here. HTTP status OK. So this is appearing here. This is status.